The pirate funnel, very, very important to know what your users are, what your users' journey is when it comes to your business, to your industry. Teach it the details, the real details of every single step. So I'm going to teach you the pirate funnel framework. You'll memorize it. And every time I prompt pirate funnel, you can even have fun with this. You'll come back to it so we can analyze it together. I explained it, and then I also gave it some side notes like the ones I gave you. So the pirate funnel is flexible. The stages could change in order. Every stage should have a specific one metric that matters the most at any given time. And there you go. Awareness all the way down to revenue. The funnel is flexible. I've memorized it. Give me a practical example of the pirate funnel for a podcast website about the importance of music. It's only because I was listening to Andrew Huberman's episode on music and the mind yesterday. Brilliant episode, by the way, if you want to listen to it. So yeah, here's a practical example. User finds the website through social media posts. Finds the website means they've landed on it. Through social media posts, these are the awareness channels that brought that user to the website. SEO optimized blog articles or recommendations, also awareness channels. Key metric, which is the OMTM, website visits or page views. Same thing all the way down to revenue. User decides to support the podcast through Patreon. Imagine the creativity of this platform. Buying merchandise or even through premium subscriptions. This gives you ideas on how to monetize your podcast, for example. Key metric, conversion rate to paying customer or average revenue per user. Of course, you choose the one metric that matters the most to you at that stage, and then the others could be secondary metrics. Put this in a table, and that includes 3 columns: the name of the stage, the definition, and the OMTM. Stage, definition, OMTM. Easy as it gets. Copy that, put it in an Excel sheet, and add notes to it, and so on.